Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about binary tree traversal. Before enter into this topic, first we want to know about what is meant by tree and what is meant by binary tree and what are all the applications of tree. Tree is a non-linear data structure used to represent the hierarchical relationship between nodes. See this tree. Here we are having three nodes A, B, C. Here A is the root node. A is called as a root node and B and C are called as the child nodes. Yes, B is the left child for root node A and C is the right child for root node A. Yes, this connecting link is called as edge. Yes, trees are mainly used in file system, AI applications, binary search tree and expression tree. These are all the applications of what is meant by binary tree. Binary tree has at least either 0 or 1 or two child nodes. Yes, here see this example. Here A is the parent node and B and C are the child nodes of parent node A. Yes, there is no parent node for A. That's why this node A is called as root node and remaining nodes are called as children nodes. See here, for B there is no children. That's why B and C are called as leaf nodes. That is the end of tree. Okay. Yes, if we want to say one tree is the binary tree, means it must satisfy one thumb rule. That is, binary trees are always having either 0 or 1 or 2 child nodes. If the binary tree, the tree is having more than two child nodes, means that's a binary tree category. Next one is the binary tree traversal. Traversal means visiting each and every node exactly once. We can traverse the binary tree in four ways. First one is pre-order traversal and second one is the in-order traversal and third one is post-order traversal and last one is level order traversal. Traversal means visiting each and every node which are present in the binary tree exactly once. Is four ways are traversing are. First one is pre-order traversing, second one is in-order traversing, third one is post-order traversing and last one is level order traversal. Let us consider the same example as root node A and children nodes are B and C. As first one is pre-order traversal. Algorithm for pre-order traversal is visit the root node first. Yes, next visit the left child and then visit the right child. Yes, follow this algorithm for pre-order traversal. Yes, pre-order traversal means visit the root node first. In this tree, root node is A, so write A first. What is the next step? Visit the left child. Here B is the left child and C is the right child for root node A. So next one is visit left child, that is B, and last one is visit right child, that is C. So pre-order traversal for this binary tree ABC is A comma B comma C. Okay. Next, let me explain about in-order traversal. Yes, in-order traversal means visit the left child first and visit the root node next and visit the right child. Yes, follow this order for in-order traversal. Consider the same tree. Yes, what is the first step? Visit the left child first. In this tree, B is the left child. So write B is first. Next, visit the root node. Here A is the root node. So write A next. And last one is the visit right child. So here right child is C. Yes, for this tree, in-order traversal is B comma A comma C. Yes. Next one is the post-order traversal. Algorithm for post-order traversal is visit left node first, left child first and visit right child. At last visit the root node. Yes. So to write a pre-order traversal for this tree, follow this order. Visit left child first, visit right child next, at last visit the root node. So the order is B left child first and visit the right child next C. At last visit the root node A. So B, C, A is the post order traversal for this given tree. Next, let me explain the level order traversal. Yes, a level order traversal means level by level traversing. Here we can split tree like this. Yes, this is called as level 0 and this level is denoted as level 1. In level 0 we are having only one node, that is the root node A. In level 1 we are having two nodes B and C. So first write the level 0 nodes. In level 0 there is only one node, that is write A, and in level 1 we are having two nodes, both B and C. So for this case visit from left to right. So write B first and C next. So for this particular tree, level order traversal is A, B, C. Okay. Let me explain the same thing with one more example. Yes, consider this example. A, B, C, D, E, F, G are the nodes. Here A is the root node, B, C are the intermediate nodes, and D, E, F, G are the leaf nodes. Okay. First, let me start with the pre-order traversal. Yes, pre-order traversal means we have to follow the algorithm, that is visit the root node first, and left subtree and visit the right subtree. Okay. Yes, see this example. Here root node is A. Yes, so first visit the root node. So write A here. Yes, this is called as left subtree and this is called as right subtree. Yes, visit the root node first. Next visit the left subtree, visit the right subtree. Yes, again we have to follow the same recursive steps for left subtree and right subtree. Consider this left subtree. Again we have to follow the same order, that is left, right, that is root node, left and then right. First visit the root node. For this subtree, root node is B. So here write B first. Okay, next this is the left node. For this subtree, left node is D. So write D next and visit the right node. For this left subtree, right node is E. So here write E. Okay, next one is right subtree. Okay, right subtree, C is the parent node, F and G are the child nodes. Yes, here also we have to follow the same order. Root first, left next and right last. Yes, here root node is C. So write C first. Next left node F. Next write the right node G. Yes, at last combine all the things. We can get the pre-order traversal of this binary tree. Yes, A, B, D, E, C, F, G. This is the pre-order traversal for this corresponding binary tree. Okay. Next, let me explain how to write a code for this pre-order traversal. Yes, use linked list representation for representing this binary tree. First, define the node. For defining node, we can use structure because here node is the collection of current data and address of left child and address of right child. So I can write it as struct node char data is and struct node star left struct node star right. Is node declaration. Yes, consider this A is stored like this. A, address of left child, that is B, address of right child, that is C. Okay, so we can write this with the C code. Struct node char data, it represents A. Struct node star left, it represents the address of left child, that is B, and struct node star right, this line represents the address of right child, that is C. Okay, next one is pre-order function. Yes, for this pre-order traversal, I am going to write a C program. Yes, the return data type is void. So first write void. Next write the function name. I can take the function name as pre-order, and passing argument. Here I am taking the passing argument as struct node star p. Yes. Next come to the program. If p. Yes, means that if node has some data means, then we have to follow follow that order. Pre-order traversal means what is the first step? We have to visit the root node first, next left subtree, and we have to visit the right subtree at the last. Yes, if the condition P satisfied means what is the first step? First we have to visit the root node. Yes, so we can print the root node directly. So write printf %C, comma p arrow data. P arrow data. Yes, next one is function call. For visiting left subtree and right subtree, again we have to follow the same order. So I can write a recursive function here, that is pre-order of P arrow left child. Again function call for right child. Yes, this is the recursive function used to print pre-order traversal for this particular binary tree. Void is the return data type. Pre-order is the function name. Struct node star p is the passing parameter. If p condition satisfied means first print the data which is present in that particular node. Next, make a recursive function call by passing left child as a parameter. Again, make a function call by passing right child as a parameter. Yes, this recursive function is used for pre-order traversal. Yes, in-order traversal means visit the left node or left subtree first and visit the root node and visit the right subtree. Follow this order for in-order traversal. Okay, see here, first step is visit left subtree. Yes, come to this left subtree B, D, E. Again we have to follow the recursive process. Yes, left, root and then right. Left is node D, comma root node, that is B, and right node, that is E. Okay, next go to root node. Here root node is E. Yes, next right subtree. Come to this right subtree. Here parent node is C, left child is F and right child is G. Again we have to follow the in-order traversal. That is left first, root next and then right last. So F, C, G. Left, root and then right. Okay, now combine all the terms. D, B, E, A, F, C and G. So this is the final in-order traversal for this particular binary tree. Next I am going to explain about how to write a recursive function using C for this particular in-order traversal. Yes, here also I am taking the return data type as void and function name is in-order and passing parameter is struct node star p. Yes, if condition, if P. Yes, if node has some data means what is the next step we have to follow? First visit the left subtree, next visit the root, at last visit the right subtree. Okay, visit the subtree means we have to make a recursive function call. So first write the recursive function call in order of S P arrow left child. Next visit the root node. So we can directly print the data of root node using printf function. Printf %c, p arrow data. At last visit the right subtree. So again you have to make a recursive function call, that is in order of p arrow right child. Yes, this recursive function is used to traverse this particular binary tree with the in order manner. Post order traversal means we have to visit the left subtree first, right subtree next and visit the root node at last. So visit the left subtree and visit the right subtree, at last visit the root node. Come to this left subtree. Yes, again here also we have to follow the recursive function. Visit the left node and visit the right node, at last visit the root node. So I can write it as D, E, B. Left, right, at last root node. Okay. Similarly for right subtree also. Yes, visit the left F, visit the right G and visit the root node at last. So F, G, C. Okay. At last visit the root node, that is E. Yes, at last write A here. So combine all the terms D, E, B, F, G, C, E. Yes, this is post order traversal for this particular binary tree. Yes, next I am going to explain about how to write a recursive function using C for this pre or post order traversal. Post order as a function name and passing parameter is struct node star p. Yes, if p. If node has some data means what is the first step? First visit the left subtree. So recursive function call, visit the right subtree. Again we have to make a recursive function call. At last visit the root node. So we can use printf function to print the value which is present in a root node. So first function call is post order of p arrow left child, and second function call is post order of p arrow right child. Yes. At last use printf function to print the data which is present in root node, p arrow data. Yes. This recursive function is used for post order traversal. Okay, all the three recursive functions are same, just we are going to change this order alone. Is pre-order means first we have to visit the root node. Root node first, left subtree and then right subtree. So in order traversal means first we have to visit the left subtree, next root node, and then we have to visit the right subtree. Yes, for post order traversal, first we have to visit the left subtree and right subtree. At last we have to visit the root node. Okay, next one is level order traversal. Yes, see here, node A is present in level 0, B and C are in level 1, and all the leaf nodes D, E, F, G are present in level 2. Yes, level order traversal means level by level output. So see here, in level 0, node A is present. In level 1, both node B and C are present. So we have to follow the left to right order. So write B first and then write C. Next, level 2 elements D, E, F, G. All the 4 elements are present in level 2. Here also we have to follow the left to right order. So write from D, E, F, G like that. This is the level order traversal for the given binary tree. Yes. Thank you.